Hi everybody, my name is Tanisha Denise and today I'm doing the 12 days of junk journal tutorial for Christmas. And this is the mini junk journal that I'm making, and I'm just using a small piece of cardboard here. This is just a real quick tutorial, and it's not super in-depth, but you can pretty much see everything I'm doing. I made a front and back cover, a spine, connected them with just some washi tape, and then chose some papers that I want to use on the inside of my booklet of my junk journal. Sorry. So I just chose different papers, kind of all in a kind of cream or pink scheme. Then I folded the papers, so I pretty much have the papers folded and how I want them. Then I was looking for a cover that I wanted to use. I knew that I probably wanted to use that little sliver of paper to the side. I made the cover with dress pattern paper, and then some rose paper. And I used this pretty picture from an art book of this just vintage girl. So that's going to go on the cover. The inside pages, just a die cut. So that's what I made on the inside pages. And yeah, the girl that'll go on the cover, I'm going to put a sticker beside it that says Darling and some trim on the spine. This journal took me about 2 days to complete, so I'm actually at the next day now. And now I'm doing just adding the sort of embellishments. I didn't put that many, so I put like a pocket in the front cover, two little tags that kind of have that flag end bottom on the front cover. And then I'm adding some lace trim and some eyelash trim, a couple of tabs, and different things like that to the pages themselves. I had already put in the pages where I wanted the trims and where I wanted I think there's a pocket, a couple tabs. So I made it pretty simple. I mean, it's really cut and dry. If you're a junk journal maker, ooh, I'm sorry, that sounded so crazy. If you are a junk journal maker, this should be pretty simple for you. If not, I would suggest maybe watching a junk journal for beginners before you try to do something like this. But if you're a junk journal maker and you want to just send something cute to your friends, mini journal's a great idea.
Okay guys, so hi, I'm back and ready to kind of flip through a little bit on this journal. So it's just a cute little mini journal, about a 1-inch spine. It's like a 3x5, and it has this pretty little girl in the front from a art textbook, art history textbook, and then this gold sentiment that says Darling. And then we have a pocket in the front cover with 2 tags, and I guess something like a nameplate. I put it on crooked. So eyelash trim, and then varying pages, more eyelash trim. Oh, that's on the next page. Goodness. Okay, varying pages, a tab. These pages, everything about this journal is so cute to me. It's so pink and rosy and romantic. Tab, line page, then a pocket, a glassine pocket, and it's open on the front. It has these like, I think these might have been stamps. And this is also something I got from Rhonda without an H, eyelash trim. Varying papers, different papers. Just a random piece of like lace from a big doily I had, so I just put it on the edge of the page. Then I have these little heart doilies, and I cut them down. So these were originally going to go in the journal, but I'm going to keep these and put them in my personal journal. And so these hearts, I like let the fringy part become like a tab. Eyelash trim and a nameplate on the second signature. Some of my pages are sticking because I wasn't super careful with the hot glue. Different pages. Yeah, lots of different pages. Another heart doily tab. Different pages here. Middle of the signature, tab right there. This is actually a fold out. One of the few fold outs in the journal. Eyelash trim. And varying pages. And then a tuck spot with a vintage standardized test card is what I think it is. And then it can all be closed with this large piece of lace that's just tied together. And you can just tie it. And it's so cute, and I really loved making it, but it did take me quite a while. Maybe if I was like more familiar with making journals like this size, this small size, I would have known what to do to not make it take so long. I didn't realize, like, it almost took as long as just making a regular journal, so I have to keep that in mind. Is it awkward if I tie it this way? I don't want it to squish the tabs. Yeah, that looks awkward. It's covering the little girl's face. That's no fun. So yeah, I'm just gonna tie it. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope that it gave you some ideas, or just, you know, gave you some entertainment or something. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope that you join me for the rest of the 12 days of Junk Journal Christmas Share ideas. I'm going to figure out the name, and I'm going to have an intro with the correct name. So I do apologize about that. But yeah, so that's my mini journal, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye.